So again, I have one equation in standard form and one in slope-intercept. This first one, 2x minus y equals 4, is in standard form. So I'm going to graph by finding both intercepts. One where my x is 0, one where my y is 0. When my x is 0, right, it's like it cancels out. I would have negative, the opposite of y equals 4. Divide both sides by negative 1, and that's going to be y equals negative 4. When my y is 0, that leaves me with 2x equals 4. I'll divide both sides by 2. My x is going to equal 2. So I have one point at 0, negative 4, and one at 2, 0. Use your ruler. Draw a nice straight line. Cut. So one down. All right, now this next line, right, is in slope-intercept. The 4 is my b, so b equals 4. That's my y-intercept. So that's going to be right there in the y-axis. And my slope is negative 6. That's like negative 6 over 1. That's my rise. That's my run. So I start at this point. I'm going to go down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over 1. Plot my point. Get out your ruler. Okay. And now we realize where they meet is the solution, and that is at point 1, negative 2.